Hello children, let us take one more example. Question number 16 on page number 97 to find out the inverse of a given matrix. Remember, if we are doing row wise elementary transformation, then we should go row wise only, and if column wise, then column wise. We should not mix up. We can interchange rows like R1 to R2, R2 to R1. Those kind of operations we can do. Now always for the starting we should start with the A11. So A11 is already here 1, right? So that one operation is less. Now these two will try to get 0. So to get the 0, what we can do? R2 is equal to R2 plus 3 times R1 we will do, right? And to get this 0, what we can do? R3 here minus 2 into R1. Yes, this process we can do. We can do more than one operation together. So here first row will remain as it is 1, 3 minus 2. Now see R2, that is minus 3 plus 3 into 1, 3, that is 0. Then here it is 0 plus 3 into 3, that is 9. Then this is minus 5 plus 3 into R1, that is minus 2. So that is minus 11. Yes, this much clear. Now we'll go for R3. R3 is what here? 2. Minus 2 into 1, that is 2. So that becomes 0. So we got here, we have to follow how we can get identity matrix here, but by step by step. Then this is second, that is 5 minus 2 into R1, that is 3. So 3 2s are 6, so we are getting minus 1. Then this 0 minus 2 into minus 2. So that is what? 4. Here we will get 4. So this is done. Same operation we supposed to do with this also. So first row will remain as it is 1, 0, 0. Now for the second, this is R2 is 0 and 3 into R1. So R1 is what? 1. So that is what we are getting. R2 is 0 plus 3 into R1, that is 3. Then second, 1, this is 0, so it will remain as it is. Again R2 is 0 and R1 is also 0, so it will remain 0. So that we did for the second row. Now for the third row, see R3, that is 0 minus 2 into R1. So it becomes minus 2. Then this is 0 and R1 is also 0, so it is 0. Then here this is 1, R1 is 0, so that means it remains 1. So into A we are getting. That is our first step. Now see, this done. Then from here we will go to here. That is 9, and we want 1 there because identity matrix diagonal elements will be 1. So here we'll go, and how we'll get 1? Can we divide by 9 this? Right? So what we will do? R2 we will divide by 9. So we will get 1. Understand? And after getting this 1, what we can do? We can add over here R3 plus R2. So this element also becomes 0, right? So let us do one by one. First let us do this much. So first we are going to divide. First row will remain as it is, as we are not doing any changes. Then here 0, 9 upon 9, 1. This is minus 11 upon 9, right? This is done. Then let us do this. R3 is what? 0. 0 plus R2, 0. So always remember, if we have already got 1 or 0, then it should not get changed. That keep in mind. Now here R3 is -1 and R2 is 1. So it becomes 0. Now R3 is what? 4 plus R2 is what? -11 upon 9. So 36 minus 11 upon 9. So that is what? 25 upon 9. So this we are getting 25 upon 9. Right? So same operation will do here also. First row will remain as it is 1 0 0. Then R2 we will divide by 9. So 3 upon 9, 1 by 3, 1 upon 9 and 0. After that what we have to do? R3 is equal to, R3 is what? -2 plus R2. R2 that is 1 by 3 here. Okay. So 3 2s are 6. So -5 upon 3. Then R3 is what? 0 plus R2 is what? 1 upon 9. So that means it is 1 upon 9. Then R3 is 1 plus R2 is 0. So it is 1. So we are getting this much. Okay. So after this, when we are coming here, it is already 0. So we'll go in this direction, that is 25 upon 9. We have to make it 9. So what we can do? We can multiply this by 9 upon 25, right? And already these two are 0, so it won't get affected. So let us do here into A, and we can have space. So what we can do here now? R3 is equal to R3 into 9 upon 25. That we will do, right? So first two row will remain as it is. 1 3 minus 2 0 1 minus 11 upon 9. These two are 0. So nothing will happen, and this is, it becomes 1. Same process we will do with RHS here also. This is, so first two will remain as it is. 1 0 0. 1 upon 3 1 upon 9 0. 1 upon 3 1 upon 9 0. Minus 5 by 3 1 upon 9 and 1 into 8. Okay. So now here we did. So here also we have to multiply by this R3 we need to change. So R3 minus 5 by 3 into 9 upon 25. So 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25. So what we are getting here? Minus 3 upon 5. Yes. Then this is, second is 1 upon 9. So 1 upon 9 into 9 upon 25. So we are getting 1 upon 25. Third is 1 into 9 upon 25. So this is 9 upon 25. Clear? Now we want this element and this element as 0. So make this as a 0, right? So what we can do here, these two already are 0. So whatever we multiply, it doesn't make any difference. Okay. So what we can do here, to make this this we can do. So it will be easy. Multiply by 3 and add, subtract, that is also possible. So we'll go step by step here. So this we want 0. So what we will do here, R2 is equal to R2 plus 11 upon 9 R3. So that means this becomes 0. Okay. So 1 3 minus 2. R2 we need to change. So here it is 0. R3 is what? 0. So that means it will remain as it is. R3 again here 0 and this is 1. So it will remain 1. We need to take care that 1 and 0 should not get changed. Then here this is R2 is minus 11 upon 9 plus this is 1, 11 upon 9. So that becomes 0, right? So now only this we need to make 0. Same operation we have to do here also. We are doing only with the R2. So 1, 0, 0. R2 is what? 1 upon 3 plus 11 upon 9 into R3, that is minus 3 upon 5, right? So here 1 by 3 plus 11 upon 9 into minus 3 upon 5, 3 3s are 9, so it is LCM will be 15, so into 5. So what we are getting here? Minus 11 plus 5, that is minus 6 upon 15. And minus 6 upon 50 means 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are. So minus 2 upon 5. So what we are getting here? Minus 2 upon 5. Then second, R2. R2 is what? 1 upon 9 plus 11 upon 9 into R3. R3 is what? 1 upon 25. So here we need to multiply by 25. So 9 5s are 2 2 5. 25 plus 11, that is 36. We can reduce this. 12 3s are 3 7s are 21. 3 5. Still we can reduce. 3 4s are 12 and 25. So what we are getting? 4 upon 25 this. Now this one, this is 0 plus 11 and R3, this is R2, that is 0, right? And 11 upon 9 into R3. R3 is 9 upon 25. So here 9 9 will get cancelled. So what we are getting? 11 upon 25, right? And R3 will remain as it is, 9 upon 25 into 8. Now see what we can do. These two are 0. So we can multiply by 3 and subtract. Here multiply by 2 and add. So this 2 becomes 0. So here R1 is equal to what? R1 minus 3 into R2. And parallelly we can do R1 is equal to R1 plus, this is 2 we did, 2 into R3, right? So that this 2 becomes 0. So here we are not doing anything with this 0 1 0 0 0 1, right? Now see R2 is 0 here, so this 1 will remain as it is, right? Then R1 is 3 minus 1 into 3, so that becomes 0, and this is R1 is, R2 is 0, right? So that remains minus 2. Yes? And parallelly what we are doing, let us do step by step. So whatever is coming after that we will do this one. So these two are 0, so one get effect. So here this becomes 0. So we are getting identity matrix, right? Same process we can do here also. So row 2 we are not doing anything, so it will remain as it is, 4 upon 25, 11 upon 25, minus 3 upon 5, 1 upon 25, 9 upon 25, right? So here now this is C. Same process we have to do. R1 is equal to R1 is what here 1 minus 3 into R2 minus 2 upon 5. So it becomes minus plus 1 plus 6 upon 5. So 11 upon 6, 11 upon 5. Okay. Then second, here this is 0. R1 is 0 minus 3 into R2. So what we are getting? Minus 12 upon 25. Minus 12 upon 25. Now this is 0. 0 minus 3 into R2, that is 11 upon 25. So here it is minus 43 upon 25, right? Now here we have to do this part done. Now we have to do this one, R1 plus 2R3. So let us do here. I will erase this portion. Okay. So here R2 and R3 will remain as it is. This is here, so we already got identity matrix. So we are changing R1, so R2 and R3 will remain as it is. 2 upon 5, 4 upon 25, 11 upon 25, minus 3 upon 5, 1 upon 25, 9 upon 25. Now see what we have to do here. R1 is equal to R1 plus 2R3. Yes. Now see. So here R1 is what? 11 upon 5, right? Plus 2 into R3. So R3 is what? Minus 3 upon 5. So what we are getting? 3 2s are 6. So 11 minus 6. That is 5 upon 5. That is 1. So we are getting 1 here. Okay. Now similarly, second. This is what R1, that is minus 12 upon 25 plus 2 into R3. R3 is what? Here 1 upon 25. So minus, we are getting minus 10 upon 25. So 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are. So that means minus 2 upon 5. Now this R1 is what? Minus 33 upon 25 plus 2 into R3. R3 is 9 upon 25. Right? So here LCM is already there. So 11. So minus 22. 9 2s are 18. So 33. 9 2s are 18. Right? So that means minus 15 upon 25. So 5 3s are 5 5s are. So what we are getting? Minus 3 upon 5 into 8. Right? So that operation done. So here we got identity matrix. So that means this will be R A inverse. This will be our answer. That is A inverse. Okay. So always go in this direction. Okay, so first make this as a 1, then these two as a 0, then try to make this as a 1, then this as a 0, then this as a 1, this as a 0. In this direction we should try to get it. Keep on practicing and yes, you will do it. God bless you.